We have another question on the board. If x squared minus 8 root 2x plus y squared minus 6 root 2y is equal to 9 is an equation of circle Q, find the center and radius of Q. In this case, coefficients cannot be reduced any further because the coefficient of x squared and that of y squared is 1. So from there, we can go ahead and implement a method that is going to work for us. When finding the radius and the center of the circle, we use completing the square method to find the radius and the center. So, just using this same equation here and the solutions, we have already collected the like terms, like the way they're supposed to be in terms of x, x, y, y, and then that is 9. The next stage in this case is to just identify b in terms of x and b in terms of y. B in terms of x is going to be the coefficient of x to the power 1. This is x to the power 2, so we are not interested in that. This is x to the power 1. We are very much interested in this one. Meaning that our b in terms of x is actually going to be equal to 8 root 2. Please, it's okay even if you ignore the negative there, it will still come out. Then our b in terms of y, b in terms of y is going to be 6 root 2 like that. Ignore the negative, the answer will still come out correct. So the next step now, open brackets, write x. This x is coming from this x to the power 2. Then get the sign which is after x squared. So we have negative there, minus. Then b in terms of x over 2 to the power 2. This power is actually this one. Then plus. Now we have to go to y. You write y just like we wrote x. The mathematical operation after y squared is minus. So we write a minus. Then b in terms of y over 2, then power x, power 2, sorry. This is now going to be equal to 9, this 9, plus b in terms of x over 2 to the power 2, plus b in terms of y over 2, this also to the power 2. We now have to substitute. It's more like we have now a formula for completing the square method at this point now. So b in terms of x is 8 root 2. So we have x minus 8 root 2 over 2, close brackets, to the power 2, plus y minus 6 root 2 over 2 to the power 2 equals 9, plus this is 8 root 2 over 2 to the power 2, plus this will now be 6 root 2 over 2 to the power 2 like that. These 2 and that 8, they will actually divide and cancel, but will remain with something there. 2 there, 1. 2 into 8, it will go there 4 times. 2 there, 1. 2 into 6, it will go there 3 times. 2 there, 1. 2 there, 4 times. 2 there, 1. 2 there, 3 times. So what do we have next? What we have at this point, we have x minus 4 root 2 to the power 2 plus, open brackets, y minus 3 root 2 to the power 2 equals 9, plus this is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 to the power 2 plus 3 root 2 to the power 2, like that. At this point now, we are done this part. This part is already done. We concentrate on the right hand side. So for the right hand side, we can start from here. For the right hand side, we have this x 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2 to the power 2 plus a y minus 3 root 2 to the power 2 equals 9. 4 root 2 to the power 2 means 4 times 4, 16. Root 2 times root 2, 2. So we have plus 4 times 16 plus, sorry, this is not 4 times 16. This would be 16 times 2. 16 times 2. Then for this one, 3 to the power 2 is 9. Root 2 to the power 2 is positive 2. So it will give us 9 times 2 like that. Then at that point, we have x minus 4 root 2 to the power 2 plus y minus 3 root 2 to the power 2 equals 9. 16 times 2, 32. 9 times 2, 18. Plus, sorry, this is not 19, this is supposed to be 18. And then from there, we can do the required additions. When we do the required additions, we are going to get a 50, this should be 57, 50, 59, it should be 59, so this will be a 59 because 32 plus 18 is 50, 50 plus 9 is 59. So we have x minus 4 root 2 to the power 2 plus y minus 3 root 2 to the power 2 equals 5, 9. At this point, we can now pick the center. The center is going to be equal to x comma y. So in x there, we'll pick this. It's a negative 4 root 2, so it becomes a positive 4 root 2. So 4 root 2, comma. Negative 3 root 2 becomes positive 3 root 2, like that. This is the center. After the center, we can get the radius. The radius is going to be root 57, or 59, sorry. So this marks the end of this lesson. Go through it. It's very important that you get to know. There is a shorter method that I've used that from this point going down there. Mostly this is not what I see other people do, but I've done it in a shorter way. This would be of help. So please, for more of this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll be able to teach more of this and we shall learn together.